So for our first class activity, we will play a word game. And I encourage you to think of this as a game, a chance to explore, a chance to fail, a chance to try, to be gloriously wrong, or to be surprisingly right. It's all okay. And because this is a game, don't think too seriously about these words, positive and negative. We're using them as a loose guiding principle. It's about what I think and what you think. For example, a positive adjective for me might be something like beautiful. But there's no definition here. I'm just thinking, just allowing my mind to play and explore. And I encourage you to think of a positive adjective for yourself. Or think of a positive noun. Any noun that is positive for you. Maybe you like it, it's nice, it's good, whatever. Can you think of a positive noun? I will write summer. I like the summer. For me, it's a positive noun. In the summer, I can go swim. I can play at the beach. I don't have to go to school, right? How about a negative adjective or a negative noun? Again, you can't be right or wrong here. You're just thinking. A negative adjective. And as you think of a negative adjective, I encourage you to use all of your senses, all of your abilities. Beautiful is a visual word. Can you think of a negative adjective that has to do with hearing? For example, loud. I don't like stuff that's very loud or noisy. Or can you think of a negative adjective that has to do with smell? Something like pungent or disgusting. Or touch, something that is sharp or oily. Or even experiential, for example, boring. I think boring is a negative adjective for me. Try to use all your senses, all your memory, all your experience, every category. We're just playing, exploring. A negative noun for me is skeleton. And now what we will do in our class is we will try to take an adjective and a noun, or a verb and an adverb, from opposite sides of the board, and we'll try to bring those together, stick those words side by side, and we'll try to make a sentence that has meaning. We'll try to form a sentence around those words that makes sense, and that will be our game. For example, I might say, the beautiful skeleton of Homo habilis stood on display at the museum. For me, a skeleton is not great, but maybe to an archaeologist, a skeleton might be beautiful. The beautiful skeleton of our ancestors, Homo habilis. For our class, we will try to think of 2 words for each category. Each person will think of 2 words for each category. You'll write each word on a small piece of paper. We'll put all the different categories of words into containers, those pieces of paper, and we will draw words. For example, boring summer. And then we will try to make sentences that make sense around those 2 words.